Today we are going to learn 10th standard relations and functions exercise 1.4. Third sum. Represent the function f is equals to 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4 through an arrow diagram, a table form and a graph. First we'll write a arrow diagram. So 1, 2. 1 is mapped to 2. Then 2, 2. 2 is mapped to 2. 3, 2. Again 3 is mapped to 2. 4, 3. 4 is mapped to 3. 5, 4. 5 is mapped to 4. The first number represent the function first arrow diagram. The second numbers denote the here. We can give the name as A, B. The first number, let it denote the values of A. The second number denote the value of B. So this is, we call it as domain, and this numbers will call it as codomain. The image of 1 is 2. The pre-image of 2 is 1. Next we'll write a table form. For 1 the answer is 2. For the x value, f of x value is 2. For 2 it is 2, 3, 2, 4, 3 and 5, 4. So this is the table form. Next, a graph representation. So draw a graph only with the help of measurements of the scale. You just measure and write it carefully. 1, 2. 1 in the x-axis, 2 in the y-axis. 2, 2, 2 in x-axis and 2 in the y-axis. 3, 2, 3 in x-axis, 2 in y-axis. 4 in x-axis, 3 in y-axis. 5 in x-axis and 4 in y-axis. So this is about your third sum. Next is your fourth sum. Show that the function f from n to n, natural numbers to natural numbers, is defined by f of x is equals to 2x minus 1 is 1 to 1 but not on 2. We have to prove it is 1 to 1 but not on 2. So given the function is from f from natural numbers to natural numbers. So f of x, the function is f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Since it is given natural numbers, we'll start from 1. So in the place of x, we'll write 1. So 2 into 1 minus 1. 2 ones are 2 minus 1 is 1. F of 2. Next we'll write the number 2. In the place of x, we'll write 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 1. That is 4 minus 1 is 3. Next we'll write the value of x as 3. In the place of x, we'll write 3. So 2 3s are 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. Next we'll write 4. 2 4s are 8 minus 1. That is 7. Next we'll write 5. So 2 5s are 10 minus 1, 9. Now we'll write an arrow diagram for this. They're given, that is from natural number to natural numbers. So the answer, when you write 1, your answer is 1. When you sub the value of 2, the answer is 3. Next 3, 5, 4, 7, 5, 9. So for different element in x, there are different images in f of x. So different elements in x, they have different element. So it is certainly 1 to 1 function. Now what is the range here? What is the answer you have got? The range is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. See, the range value is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What is the value of the codomain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the natural numbers. Since range is not equal to codomain, it is not onto function. Therefore, it is 1 to 1 but not onto function. Since 2 does not have a pre-image in x, 4 does not have a pre-image in x, 6 does not have a pre-image in x, we can say that it is not onto function. Next year, example 1.17. Let f be a function from R to R, real numbers defined by f of x equals to 3x minus 5. Find the values of a and b given that a, 4 and 1, b belong to f. Here, your function is f of x is equals to 3x minus 5. Here, given that a, 4 belongs to this function, a, 4. What is meant by a, 4? This is the value of x and this is the value of f of x. When you sub the value of a in f of x, your answer will be 4. This is the meaning. So the first number always denote x and the second number denote f of x. When you sub the value of a, you will get answer as 4. So we'll write the function first. Now in the place of f of x, we'll write what is f of x value? 4 is equals to 3 I have written. X value is a. We'll write here a. So 3 into a minus 5. So 4 is equals to 3a minus 5. Next, our aim is to find the value of a. So minus 5 when taken to other side becomes plus 5. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is equals to 3a. So 9 is equals to 3 means 3 by 1 a. So we'll interchange the position. 3 by 1 a equal to 9. Therefore a is equals to 9 into 3 by 1 when taken to other side becomes 1 by 3. 3 divides 9 3 times. So the value of a is 3. Now also given that 1 comma b belongs to f. So 1 comma b. So 1 means x. When you sub the value of x in the function f of x, your answer will be b. So f of x equals to 3x minus 5. It is given in the question your function. The f of x value is b. So we'll write b. And 3. The x value is 1. So 3 into 1 minus 5. So b is equals to 3 ones are 3 minus 5. So b is equals to minus 2. Therefore, the value of a is 3 and b is minus 2. Remain always that the first number denotes x and the second number in the ordered pair, the second number denotes f of x. Thank you children. Any doubt? Please comment.